If you have chosen to include multiple choice questions in either the administered or the assigned assessment, you'll have the option to view a whole lot of analytics on how students have performed in the multiple choice questions. So this video is going to walk you through where you can find that information. So for both types of assessments, you'll see the results tab in the sidebar here. Select results, scroll down to analytics, and you'll see a section here on viewing the multiple choice report here. So this might take 30 seconds to load, and then when it does, on the scores page at the top here, you'll see the average score and some other statistics at the top. You'll also see the distribution of scores here. You can download and export both the question data and the student data. So we will download that so we can have a look at that together. So if we open up the results data here, you will see that you will get some information, top 27% and bottom 27% average scores. You'll see how many students answered each of the different options, and you'll see what the correct answer was here, and you'll see whether or not there were distractor questions in this CSV. If we download and export the student data, we'll wait for that to download, but we'll take a look at what is included in that data. Whilst we're waiting for that file to download, there is a link here to where you can find out more about the different multiple choice analytics that are available, what they mean, and how they were calculated. So now we'll take a look at what is available in terms of the student results here. So you'll see the booklet number the student was assigned, you'll see their email, their scores for each of the questions, and what they chose for each of the questions. So this is the data available for you. So if you wanted to do any other kind of analytics on your own or interpretation of that data, you have that option. You also have the question tab here. This is going to show you the frequency of each of the answers, so what the students selected and how many students selected it. The dark green bar is where the correct answer sits. And then you have some additional diagnostics here. These are going to look at the difficulty, the discrimination, and the distractor questions here. And underneath, you'll see some high-level statistics, and again, a link to some more information about how that is calculated at the bottom there.